Hi, today I am going to show you a project that will make you forget everything you thought was a toy. It starts with just a few parts and a big dream, but in the end it turns out to be a real RC Audi with a working engine and suspension system. Yes, you heard right, this miniature vehicle cost exactly $7,000 and the construction process was recorded from start to finish. If you are wondering how this is possible, hold on tight, because here we go. The first step is to prepare the engine, which will be the heart of the vehicle. Each piece is placed with millimeter calculations, because this miniature engine is not just for show, it really works. This little internal combustion beast will provide the power to drive the entire system of the vehicle. With its meticulously assembled pistons, crankshaft and ignition system, it is truly an engineering marvel. Now things get serious. Once the engine is successfully assembled, it's time to transfer the power to the wheels. Inside this tiny vehicle is a fully equipped transmission system. Differential links, axles and suspension components are installed one by one. Just like in a real car at this point, you are not just building a model, you are building a fully functioning machine. it's time for the exterior. The body of the vehicle is meticulously prepared and each piece is being placed one by one. This is not just a shell, it reflects the appearance of a real Audi 100 Coupe S with its roof, doors, window frames and all its lights. Even though it has not been painted yet, this body design is impressive in itself. The drawing precision of real cars has been applied one-to-one in this miniature model. And here is an incredible RC Audi in its final form. It is absolutely stunning with its metallic brown paint, shiny rims and glass details. But this is not just a model, it has a working engine inside, the wheels move and everything is completely handmade. At this point you are no longer just watching, you are witnessing a dream come true.